Hi, it's me, Nikki. I'm finna do a Kool Aid Pie. I'm gonna do a strawberry Kool Aid Pie. My nephew requested a Kool Aid Pie and he's here with me for a week. So I decided to make him a Kool Aid Pie. You're gonna need a spoon. You're gonna need a sweetened condensed milk. Any kind of Cool Whip. Any kind. And you're gonna need some graham cracker crust pie crust. Or, hey, you can make your own graham cracker pie crust. So what first I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open, and I have a big bowl, so I'm gonna use that bowl as a mixing bowl. And we're gonna use, you should throw these away because these are good containers. I'm gonna take my wooden spoon and I'm gonna let it all out. I'm gonna try not to talk during this thingy here as much. I might have some stuff to say, but I'm gonna try to keep it quiet, okay? So you can just look and learn, okay? I'll say I'll take a Kool Aid of your choice. I usually use 2 packs. Some people may use 1, but I'm going to use 2. Because I like the color. It gives it a rich color when you use 2. It's not too sour. It's just right. And it's starting to color up now. And then I stir. And it smells so good. It starts to turn into like a toffee consistency. I don't know what that's about, but so that makes it like stiffen up like a toffee. And baby, it's a good toffee. No, it's good. You know you got it right when it's starting to stiffen up, so you can put it in your pie crust. It's quick and easy for a nice summer day. But we're gonna let this sit in the, we're gonna let it sit in the, gonna move this to the side. We're gonna start opening our graham cracker crust. Now, when you put this in here, they usually have the little tops to it. So what's gonna happen is, you're gonna put in the oven, not the oven, you're gonna put it in the freezer for about an hour till it chills. And then you're gonna have your strawberry Kool Aid pie. Now let's tear all this paper off and the gook that's on there. And then you're gonna rinse it off. And rinse it off. So let me know germs. And you put your pie. Now here's your pie crust. Now we're going to fill the pie crust with this. We're going to fill it up until we can't fill it up no more. Okay? And you just smooth it over. Make sure it's in there. You can always smell it. It smells delicious. Let's see. Just keep it even. And smooth it out. Like so. Yeah. There we go. Now, make sure it's even on every side. So when you put your lid on it, it doesn't squeeze out. Okay. Now it's taste time, girls and boys. And take that bowl with me. Later on. Now here is our lid. We're going to put it on. And we're going to close the foil on the end. And we're going to put it in the freezer. I say chill it for about an hour. I usually, if it's where you want to be. Yeah. And you have your Kool Aid pie. Okay? Now I'm about to put it in the freezer. Chill it for about an hour. I'm going to clean up my mess here. And I'm going to take this bowl. And I'm going to eat the rest of the Kool Aid pie out. And we're going to wait till the chill is over. Like I said, put it in for about an hour. And we shall be back to see the finished product. And here's the finished product of the Kool Aid Pie. Somebody then got a nice little slice. And this is how it looks. It's firm and it's creamy. It's in the graham cracker crust for you all to enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be happy to be right for you, and I hope to see you sooner than later. Bye.